how to log into your account on iMovie. If you want to log in into iMovie and start editing, here's a quick and easy guide on how to log into your account. Let's get started. First, you should know that iMovie does not have its own login system. It's directly connected to your Apple ID. So make sure you are signed in on your device. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings. Here, click on the Apple ID that you want to use, and after that you need to make sure you have downloaded iMovie on your device. If you are iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Mac, there is different Mac version for this app. Then click on search bar and open iMovie. You will be automatically logged in with the Apple ID that's signed into your device. No separate login required. It's that simple, and that's how you log into iMovie using your Apple ID. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.